An elephant herd was walking peacefully along the riverbank when a baby elephant slipped into the rushing water, struggling to stay afloat. The mother elephant trumpeted desperately, calling for help, and, to everyone's surprise, a crocodile emerged from the river. Instead of harm, it gently pushed the calf towards safety with its powerful tail, reuniting it with its relieved mother. Grateful, the herd surrounded the crocodile in a touching display of gratitude. Days later, the crocodile was caught in a hunter's trap. And cried out for help. Hearing the call, the elephants rushed to its rescue, breaking the ropes and destroying the trap. As the crocodile swam free, it paused to look at the herd, silently expressing its thanks, while the elephants trumpeted softly.